How to increase download speed on Chrome browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase download speed on Chrome browser. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the Google Chrome, simply tap on the search bar and simply type Chrome // and simply search for it. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply type download and search for it. And here on the result, simply look for parallel downloading in the list, and once you have found it, simply tap default under that option. And here, once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on enabled and then hit relaunch at the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. Now Chrome will download files faster using the parallel connection. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.